The thing I enjoy the most about helping others is seeing patients recover so rapidly after surgery. Again, we do these surgeries for quality of life, and people often state that they get a second chance at life given the amount of pain that they were in before and the amount of things they can do after surgery. So I think that's very special to be a part of. What I do is important because it enhances the quality of life of the patients that come here. Most often, people who need hip and knee replacements are invested in their own health and their own care, and they have an interest in getting better. And when we can perform these surgeries and see them improve so rapidly, it's a pretty special process. What I can bring to Midwest Orthopaedic Center is a passion to provide high quality and compassionate care to those patients that I interact with. I think Midwest Orthopaedic Center is a pretty special place because it has everything in-house. It has a full staff full of people who have a lot of experience in orthopedics, anywhere from non-operative care to specialized surgery to physical therapy to injections. We have a pretty wide range of comprehensive care here for Central Illinois. The providers here at Midwest are able to handle most orthopedic issues from simple to complex, and we have the resources available to us to treat patients adequately in a safe and high quality manner.